Okay, kasama po natin na yung umaga ito si Mr. Joshua Abella, ang isa sa mga tagapagtaguyod o founder ng Capricious Fabricia dito sa Fairview. He is also the team manager ng ating national team sa Jiu-Jitsu. Bati ka naman sa ating mga tagapanood ng Sports Corner PH.
Hi everyone, I'm Josh. If you can, please feel free to visit here sa Fairview gyms natin dito sa Bahamas and dito sa Florida Vista.
Okay, kamusta na po kayo right now? Ongoing ngayon yung ating drills every Sunday at mukhang busy kasi yung mga bata na nag-e-enhance at nagpapalakas sa kanilang mga skills at kanilang sportsmanship para maging ready sila sa competition.
Everything's going well so far, thankfully. Minimal to no injuries kami dito. Almost everybody's preparing for a competition. We have the upcoming national selection trials sa March 9 for the kids, March 10 for the adults. So I believe we have around 4 to 6 competitors here sa team. Hopefully they're gonna be gunning there for a spot kasi we have lots of competitions ahead sa regional circuit.
So based sa inyong assessment, gaano ba kahanda ang ating team para dito sa national trials this coming March?
We're getting there. I think around 70-80% na sila. Thankfully, we have a lot of non-competitors as well. We try to keep an environment din naman na everybody's helping each other out. So hopefully we can get the job done.
So ang schedule, by the way, pinapangarap nyo ba na balang araw yung isa sa mga miyembro nitong team makaabot man lang doon sa national team, either sa elite or di kaya sa youth pool? Isa ito sa mga goals ninyo para sa team this 2024?
Actually, we have a few here who are training now with the national team. It's just so happened that we're separating a couple of these kids kasi, of course, they're vying for a spot, you know. That's the goal. If there are lots of opportunities na makapasok or makapag-compete sila for a spot in the national team, that would be great.
Okay, speaking of the national team, you were the team manager ng ating national team and we witnessed nga yung mga victories nga noong 2023. I was there noong PSA Awards at nakita ko ang ating mga standouts natin na nagparangal. Sina Annie, sina Meggie, si Kyla at si Mark. On your personal assessment, ano yung naging pananaw ninyo sa 2023 campaign ng ating national jiu-jitsu team? Of course, with a couple of gold medals sa SEA Games, sa Asian Games, and in other international competitions.
Everybody was pretty sharp last year. And thankfully, with enough support din from PSC, everybody was able to go with their training camps. I've seen a lot of emotion and passion from the team as well. Nakakatuwa na makita sila really working hard, I miss the guys. It's been a while since I've been there ulit. Hopefully I get to visit after the trials. Pero we're trying to bring that momentum as well for this year sa mga darating na competitions.
Okay, for 2024, ano ba mga ine-expect natin for the national team after the national trials? Ano ba mga aasahan natin mga competitions? Lalo na yung IMAG, malapit na magsimula sa November sa Thailand. Yung
IMAG yung major comp natin, pero after the trials, I believe we have yung Asian Championships both sa youth at saka sa adults. We also have, I think, in Thailand Grand Prix. We are a staple there. As to the direction of what the national team will go for, I believe the best guys to ask would be Coach Stephen, Coach Alan, and Coach John Bainon. They're the best in that field. They know their craft. They know which direction they're gonna go for. Pero hopefully, with enough support ulit from PSC and some good guys na willing to fund their athletes, and that would be enough para ma-maintain yung momentum natin.
Okay, lastly, before we get to your final message, malapit ng summer, siguro pwede niyo magbigay ng mga konting tips and advices sa mga bata, especially sa mga parents na nagtitake ng martial arts.
This is a really good activity for summer. I highly encourage everybody to try any combat sport for that matter, hindi lang jiu-jitsu. If you have a judo dojo near your area, go for it. If you have taekwondo, if you have karate, I would recommend talaga jiu-jitsu because you cover top and bottom games doon. You have submissions. Very applicable. It's a life skill, I would recommend not just doing it in the summer. continuously train at it even during school days. Maganda. Ito hopefully dala ng mga kids dito. Even for adults, since it's a life skill, malaking tulong yon for fitness, for self-defense as well.
And with that, thank you so much. Pero bago kita magpaalam sa amin, why not invite our followers sa inyong gym, sa Campus Fabricio Gym dito sa Fairview. Saan matatagpuan at maybe baka pwede nyo mag-ask ng mga schedules o baka pwede nyo i-announce.
If you're within the area or if you're visiting, we encourage cross-training here. Just visit us here at Campus Fabricio Fairview. We have 2 training locations. We have here at Famas Gym. We also have one in Flora Vista. We are training here Wednesdays and Sundays. Wednesday night, 6 p.m. And also here, we have our drill class at Sundays, 9 p.m. We extend for a little bit just for drills. If you have extra goals in mind na gusto nyo tutukan, that would be good. If you want to go sharpen your skills ng Sundays, great. Join in lang. Flora Vista, we have our training sa clubhouse. We train there 5 to 7. Again, we extend. If you're there for cross training, if you're visiting, we encourage you to join in as well. We welcome everybody sa community.
Shoutouts sa inyong mga taga-support and of course sa gym ninyo and of course sa national team.
Yeah. Much love to everybody at KMA. Hopefully, we get to train with you guys again soon. Also, much love to the national team. I'll be visiting after the trials. I'll see you guys on March 9 and 10.
And with that, thank you so much, Sir Joshua, and we look forward to visit you again. And congratulations sa mga achievements ng team, and of course sa iba't ibang mga national teams, and of course sa inyong club na rin sa recently. Salamat po, and God bless you.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so